A Turkman woman who stayed in China after graduating from a Chinese university said that it is China which gave her the unique opportunity to learn and grow. Saryava Jahan now teaches the Chinese language to international students from various countries in Lanzhou Jiaotong University in China's Gansu province. Jahan used to be an international student as well in the same university over 15 years ago.
前前后后我在甘肃兰州生活了8年，这里也是我的家。我的妹妹学成后也找到了非常不错的工作，是中国给我们提供了难得的学习和成长平台，让我们也拥有了梦想的工作，我们都收获了满满的幸福感。我的下一步我会努力推广中文，我爱中国，爱兰州。
An official with Lanzhou Jiaotong University said that since 2008, the university has enrolled over 2,000 international students from 67 countries, of which about 1,300 are from Central Asian countries.